So tool number 2, or another tool that you can have to pull from when you are trying to figure out what you're feeling, what you're believing, and how to turn it into something that you're wanting, is to just write down all of your negative thoughts. It can pertain to you, maybe it is about somebody else, maybe about a situation. Just write down all of your negative thoughts that come to your mind. Most of them will be just 1 or 2 words. Maybe it will be a list like, I am not good enough, or this isn't possible, I'm not capable, I'm unhealthy, I'm lazy, I'm angry, I'm not smart. Anything that comes to your mind that's negative, make a list of it, okay? And then once you do that, you can push pause and write all of those down and then push play. And then when you come back, on the other side of the paper, write down 2 positive thoughts for each negative. It will be the opposite of whatever that negative is. You want to do 2 so that you give more power to the positive, so that the negative does not have the power. So if it's I am not smart, you'll write I am so smart and I learn easily. Or if it's I am overweight, you can put I am healthy and I am fit. It doesn't have to feel true to you. And remember, you're not lying to yourself. I want you to know this so you can remember you are creating what you want. Whatever you think about today is what you will get tomorrow. So when you say I am fit and I am healthy and I am at a healthy weight, you are stating it as if it is so that it can start manifesting in your life. And the more you think about it, the more you start to change the way you're feeling, and you will start attracting the ways for it to come into your life. Your heart will start changing. And you don't have to just trust me, but experience it, experiment with it, and see how it changes. There are power in words. There is real vibration and real power in the words that we use, the words we speak and the words we think. So you're writing down any negative that comes to your mind, and then come back and write 2 positive words, the very opposite of whatever that negative it is. And then you will tear off the negative part, keep your positive, and either tear up the negative or burn the negative in a safe way. Tear it up and flush it down the toilet, crumple it up and throw it away. And that is just using that sign of I'm choosing not to believe this, I'm getting rid of this. If you do this every day, it will change your life, because you are managing your emotions. You're identifying what it is you're actually feeling. You're being very clear when you write it down on a piece of paper. That puts the power in your hands. And then as you choose the positive, you start creating what you want in your life, and you get to start healing, and you get to start choosing, and you realize how amazing this world is, and that you really can feel peace, and that you really do have power. No matter what happened to you, no matter what you've experienced, we still get to choose. And there is peace and joy and success to be had. So I promise you, if you will trust this process and try it out for yourself, that you will find success.